$6 in a store. How much do you pay for that? And then what you do is now the back stuff, what you find is just the game, what you're going to say the game is back. Then you're the guy who gets the back fund. How is it you get the back fund?
Nah.
Somebody up in New York City. So can you do me a favor? And I've got 2 game used cash now. I'm very cheap. Can you give me something like that?
So when you pay somebody,
I pay someone.
how much do you pay?
$600. $603 for 2 guys.
Get 2 back funds. So you have this back
And this other one.
and that other one.
And 2 games.